Hi everyone, I'm Alina from the Best English Learning channel. In this video, you will learn 100 essential English sentences for daily conversation. These are simple English phrases that native speakers use every day. If you are a beginner or intermediate English learner, this lesson will help you speak English more naturally and confidently. We will practice useful English sentences for daily life, including greetings, asking questions, making requests, and everyday conversations. Listen carefully, repeat after me, and try to use these common English expressions in your daily conversation. Let's get started. Greetings and basic conversations. Hello, how are you? I'm good, thank you. Nice to meet you. What's your name? My name is Alina. Where are you from? I'm from Russia. How was your day? It was pretty good. A long time no see. Everyday questions. What are you doing? Where are you going? What time is it? What do you do for work? What do you like to do? What do you think? Do you understand? Can you help me? Could you repeat that? What does that mean? Making requests. Can you help me with this? Could you speak more slowly? Please write it down. Please wait a moment. Can I ask a question? Can you explain that again? Could you show me how? May I sit here? Could you open the door? Please send me the message. At a restaurant. I'd like a table for two. Can I see the menu? What do you recommend? I'll have the chicken. Can I get some water? Could we get the bill? The food was delicious. Do you take credit cards? I'd like it to go. Thank you very much. Daily life. I'm going to work. I'm going home. I'm a little busy. I'm feeling tired today. I need some rest. I have a meeting today. I'll call you later. I'll text you. I'll be there soon. I'm running late. Talking about plans. What are your plans today? I'm going to the gym. I'm meeting a friend. I'm studying English. I'm watching a movie tonight. Do you want to join me? Let's go together. That sounds like fun. Maybe next time. I can't today. Expressing opinions. I think it's a good idea. I don't think so. That makes sense. Oh, it's interesting. I agree with you. I disagree. You're right. I'm not sure. That's possible. We'll see. Shopping. How much is this? Oh, that's too expensive. Do you have a cheaper one? Do you have this in another size? Can I try it on? I'll take it. Where is the cashier? Can I pay with a card? Do you have a bag? Thank you. Phone conversations. Hello, this is Alina. Who is calling? One moment, please. I'll call you back. The line is busy. Can you hear me? Oh, the connection is bad. Let's talk later. Send me a message. Talk to you soon. Ending conversations. It was nice talking to you. Take care. Have a great day. See you later. See you tomorrow. Good luck. Safe travels. Keep in touch. Thanks again. And goodbye. Great job! If you want to speak English more fluently, practice these daily English sentences every day. Try to repeat them, memorize them, and use them in real conversations. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel. And thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye bye.